ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. PSC ഇന്നലെ നടത്തിയ KCRDB എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കോഡ് C ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ വിച്ച് ഇയർ ദ റീഫോർമുലേറ്റഡ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ് വെയർ അഡോപ്റ്റഡ് ബൈ ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് അലയൻസ്? ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ C ആണ്, 1966. Which one of the following is not a principle of cooperation? Answer option A, voluntary and closed membership. Voluntary and open membership ആണ് cooperative principle. The details of nominal or associate members are included in the dash section of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969. Answer option C, section 18. The jurisdiction of a circle cooperative union is? Answer B, taluk. The application for registration of multi-state cooperative society is made to? Answer A, central registrar. 8th Cooperative Congress in Kerala was held at? Answer option C, Kannur. A smaller general body constituted under section 27 subsection 2 of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 is called? Answer A, representative general body. Which section of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 deals with the voting right of a member? Answer option A, 20. Who is the author of the famous book Towards Cooperative Commonwealth? Answer option B, D.R. Gadgil. Richard Pioneer started their store with a share capital of? Answer A, 28 pounds. All cooperative societies accepting deposits will have to maintain? Answer C, reserve fund. Maintenance of books and accounts by societies is as per which rule of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Rule? Answer A, Rule 29. Every proposal for amendment to the bylaws of cooperative society shall be made only by a resolution passed by a dash majority of members present and voting. Answer B, 2/3. Maximum limit for surrender of earned leave admissible to the employees of cooperative society on retirement is? Answer C, 300 days. In cooperative society, dash is not allowed. Option B, proxy. An enquiry can be ordered for the registrar. Which of the following is an untrue statement? Answer D, on application from the nearby society. Section 28A of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 provides for reservation of dash of the total seats for women members in the committee of every cooperative society. Answer option C, 3. The People's Bank of Northern India is a book authored by Dupernex. Answer option B, Dupernex. Which is the headquarter of the All India Federation of Cooperative Spinning Mills? Answer D, Mumbai. Final authority of the society shall vested in? Answer C, general body. The Cooperative Arbitration Court entertains? Answer B, only non-monetary issues. Mutually Aided Cooperative Societies Act is prevailing in the state of? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Rules 16 to 20 of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Rules prescribes two procedures for getting. Answer option B. Membership. In milk producers cooperative societies, the value of milk is on the basis of the dash of the milk. Answer D. Quality. An officer appointed by the registrar as per section 72 of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969 for realization of assets and settlement of liabilities of a cooperative society is called. Answer C. Liquidator. On completion of the audit of the society, the auditor shall submit dash or report to the registrar in the form prescribed by the registrar. Answer B. An audit memorandum. The first land development bank in the cooperative sector in our country was set up in. Answer option C. Punjab. In a cooperative society, the maximum shares held by a member shall not exceed 1/5 of total share capital. Answer option B ആണ്. Which is the upper limit of dividend that can be paid to members of a cooperative society as per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act 1969. Answer A. 25%. Cooperation is included in the dash schedule of Indian Constitution. Answer C. 7th schedule. The Kerala State Cooperative Housing Federation was registered on. Answer option A. 23/9/1970. Rule 63 of the Kerala Cooperative Societies Rules describes. Answer D. Maintenance of fluid resources by societies. The dash implemented the Operation Flood Program. Answer D. NDDB. Coins related to. Answer C. Insurance Cooperative Society. The shortcomings in the Act of 1904 were removed by another legislation known as. Answer B. Cooperative Societies Act of 1912. Dividend is set apart from. Answer B. Net profit. Which has jurisdiction over the whole of the state. Answer B. Apex Society. RAIDCO is engaged in the distribution of dash machinery. Answer C. Agro. Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, popularly known as Amul, in the state of. Answer D. Gujarat. Trading in a consumer cooperative store is normally. Answer option A. On cash basis. Which is the theme of International Day of Cooperatives for the year 2020? Answer option D. Cooperatives for Climate Action. Democracy is a government in which everyone has a share. Whose words are these? Answer D. None of these. Correct answer Abraham Lincoln ആണ്. According to Cooperative Societies Act 1969, the maximum number of members of a representative general body shall not exceed dash in any case. Answer D. 500. The term used for funds borrowed and lent mainly by banks for overnight use is. Answer option B. Call money. Who is the head of the cooperative department? Answer option A. Registrar. In India, Cooperative Week is being celebrated every year during the month of. Answer B. November. Cooperation was the only instrument to implement the economic programs of democratic India, and the prime importance will be given for the growth and development of the cooperative sector. In which 5-year plan was this statement included? Answer option B. Second 5-year plan. In the cooperative flag, the red color should be at. Answer option B. Top. Cooperatives had not measured up to expectations in mobilizing deposits and dispersing credit at the retail level. Whose opinion was this? Answer option A. Rural Credit Review Committee, 1969. Expand JCCU. Answer option C. Japanese Consumers Cooperative Union. A simultaneous purchase and sale of foreign exchange for 2 different dates is known as. Answer B. Currency swap. ആൻസേഴ്സിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും കറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. 52 മുതലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത വീഡിയോയിൽ നോക്കാം.